The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So here we are dealing with two numbers. The relationship between the numbers is not given. So we just have to take the numbers as x and y. So let the numbers be x and y. The first condition, the difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. So condition 1 is difference. So here the difference in the squares. So difference in square. What is the square? What are the squares of this number? X square and we have y square. And the difference is 180. So we've got a one equation. X square minus y square equal to 180. The square of the smaller is 8 times the square of the larger. So they said square of smaller equal to 8 times the larger. Now we have to identify which is smaller, which is larger. Now in a subtraction, suppose you have a minus b equal to 6 and it is positive. Definitely we know a must be larger and the b must be smaller. So in this case also the larger number here, the larger number is x and the smaller number is y, because here we have x square minus y square. This will be the larger number. So they said square of the larger, mean the square of the smaller. So the smaller here is y. So y square equal to 8 times the larger, and the larger is x. This is my equation 2. Now let me start off with x square minus y square equal to 180. And I am stuck here. Why? I have two variables. I do not know x and I do not know y. But I know the value of y square. From this equation, I know that y square equal to 8x. That means for this y square, I can put 8x. And I will get now x square minus, here I will put 8x equal to 180. So I have my equation now, x square minus 8x equal to 180. So which means x square minus 8x minus 180 equals to 0. We now compare with general equation. On comparing, you see my a is 1, b minus 8 and c minus 180. Now let's go ahead and find our d. So formula for d is b square minus 4ac minus 8, b is minus 8, 4, my a is 1 and your c is minus 80. So d will be 64 plus, so here my d becomes 784. Now to find alpha, minus b plus root d over 2a. My b is minus of minus 8. D is 784 over 2a, 2 into 1. So alpha is plus under root, this is 28 here, and we have over 2, which is equal to, so I have 36 by 2 and that is 18. So one number, one x is 18. Alpha is 18, that means x is 18. Now let me go to find my beta. So here for beta, minus b minus root d over 2a. So beta, b is minus 8, so minus of minus 8. My root d is 784 over 2a. 2a is 1. So beta is 8 minus 28 over 2. Now this number is turning out to be negative over 2, and that is minus 10. So my x is minus 10. So x has got two values now. It could be 18 or minus 10. Now my numbers are positive, so I'm going to ignore this. I'm going to take x as only 18. And if you go back and see, we had taken a y. Look up at this. This is going to help us to get a y. Y square equal to 8x. So we have y square equal to 8x. So y square equal to 8 into 18. So y square equal to 144. So y under root of 144, and that is 12. So these are our numbers, 12 and 18. That's the answer. So we get up to this. The answer will be, one number is 18 and the other number is 12.